Namaste, tech adventurers. Welcome to Namaste IT, your go-to place for free tech, tips, and tutorials. Today, we are about to embark on an important journey. A journey into the world of cybersecurity. Why is it important? Because your personal data is like your socks. Everyone's trying to sneak them away. So let's lock down our digital world together and have some fun along the way. Introduction to protecting our digital future. Let's start with something simple. Think of your home. You lock your doors, right? And if you forget, your mom calls you to remind you, did you lock the door? In the digital world, cybersecurity is that lock. Except your mom won't call you. Cybersecurity protects your computer, your files, and your online activities from digital burglars. Today, I'll show you how to become your own digital security guard. No uniform required. Why cybersecurity matters. Let me ask you, how many apps do you have installed on your phone right now? How many passwords have you forgotten? I mean, how many do you use regularly? Cybersecurity matters because we store so much personal and business information online. Financial data, personal details, business secrets. Without protection, it's like leaving your front door open while you go on vacation, except the burglars are in pajamas, typing furiously. Strong cybersecurity keeps this data private, accurate, and available when you need it. It helps prevent identity theft, financial fraud, and keeps your digital life from becoming a horror story. The growing threat landscape. The digital world doesn't stay still, and neither do cyber criminals. They're always inventing new tricks faster than you can say, antivirus update. Some of the biggest threats we face today are ransomware, phishing, data breaches, malware. Imagine hackers as the bad guys in a movie, except without popcorn. Let's take a closer look at each of these threats to understand them better. Common cyber threats. First up, ransomware. It's malware that locks your files and demands money for their release. It's like that annoying kid who hides your homework until you give them your lunch money. Next, phishing, the digital equivalent of someone dressing up as a prince in a bad costume, asking for your password. Fake emails or messages that look legit but aim to steal your personal info. Then we have data breaches, hackers breaking into companies and stealing sensitive data. It's like someone sneaking into your office and copying your personal diary, except with a lot more zeros and ones. And finally, malware, software that sneaks in and causes harm without you realizing it. It's like a virus that doesn't just make you sneeze, but also eats your files. Social engineering, the human weakness. Here's the funny part. Cyber criminals don't always hack computers. Sometimes they hack people. This is called social engineering. They use lies, fear, or fake trust to get your passwords or sensitive info. For example, an email that says, your account has been compromised, click here right now. Don't fall for it. Don't share your password with that random tech support caller. Our best defense? Stay cautious and don't trust people who don't even know your favorite pizza topping. Simple steps to stay safe online. Let's get practical. These tips are easy to apply today. Use strong, unique passwords for every account. Think of your password as your toothbrush. Don't share it and change it often. Keep your passwords private. Always update your software and apps promptly. Updates are like vaccinations for your computer. Don't skip them, or your system gets sick. Use two-factor authentication. It's like a second padlock. Think before you click links or attachments. If in doubt, throw it out. Next up, why backups are your lifesaver in a crisis. The importance of backups. Imagine one day your computer says, I'm done, and all your files disappear. Without backups, you'd cry more than when your favorite show got cancelled. Backups are extra copies of your data stored somewhere safe. So if ransomware locks your files, you don't have to pay the ransom. You just restore the backup. Tip: store backups offline or in the cloud, just not under your bed. Everyone's role in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity isn't just for the IT department. It's for everyone. Your role is simple. Follow security policies. Recognize suspicious emails. Report unusual activity ASAP. Remember, the more people who stay alert, the safer our whole digital world becomes. And yes, that includes your office intern who thinks phishing is a new phishing app. Cybersecurity builds trust. Why should businesses care about cybersecurity? Because customers trust them with their sensitive data. Good cybersecurity doesn't just prevent attacks, it builds confidence. Your clients won't come back if their data leaks faster than their morning coffee. Privacy and compliance laws. There are important laws in place to protect data. GDPR protects personal data in Europe and makes sure companies handle it responsibly. DORA ensures digital resilience in financial institutions. CCPA gives California residents rights over their personal data. Compliance isn't just about avoiding fines, it's about doing the right thing and being responsible. What to do when a cyber attack happens? Let's assume the worst happens. Here's your action plan. Detect early, use monitoring tools. Contain the attack, isolate infected systems. Communicate, be honest and transparent with customers and stakeholders. Recover, restore data from backups. Having an incident response plan is like having a fire drill, only way more useful. New technologies and security. Let's talk future tech and how it helps us stay safe. Artificial intelligence, AI, detects threats faster than your cat jumps on the table. But bad guys can use it too. Cloud security protects data online. Shared responsibility between you and the provider. Zero trust security. Never trust. Always verify, even if it's your own computer. Blockchain. A digital ledger that's tamper-proof, like a diary your dog can't eat. Continuous improvement. Cybersecurity is not a one-time fix. It's a continuous process. Ongoing training. Regular system updates. Monitoring new risks. Adapting to new threats. Treat it like a fitness plan. It's only effective if you do it regularly. What not to do in cybersecurity? Let me give you the don'ts list. Don't reuse the same password everywhere. That's like using the same key for your house and your car. Don't skip software updates. Old software is like an unlocked door. Don't bypass security policies. Those aren't just suggestions. Don't click random links. Your curiosity could be your downfall. Don't share your password with anyone, and not even your dog walker. Don't delay reporting suspicious activity. The faster, the better. Don't ignore backups. You don't want to regret it. Don't ignore privacy rules. They exist for a reason. Additional important concepts. Other important ideas to know. Cyber risk management. Assess and prioritize risks regularly. Insider threats. Not all threats are outside. Sometimes they come from inside. Remote work security. Use secure connections and VPNs when working from home. Third-party security. Ensure your vendors follow strict standards. Physical security. Protect hardware from physical theft. Clear roles and governance. Define who does what in your security plan. Cyber insurance. It's like a safety net for financial impacts of cyber incidents. Summary: best practices to follow. To recap, here are the golden rules. Strong, unique passwords with two-factor authentication. Keep software updated. Be cautious of suspicious messages. Back up your data regularly. Join security training sessions. Report anything suspicious immediately. Follow all policies carefully. Work as a security-aware team. Conclusion and call to action. Thank you for joining me on this cybersecurity journey. Remember, protecting our digital future is not just the IT department's job, it's your responsibility. If you follow these practices, you'll make your life safer and help the organization stay strong. Now I want to hear from you. What's one cybersecurity habit you're going to start today? Comment below. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Namaste IT, where tech knowledge is always free. Until next time, stay safe, stay updated, and stay tech savvy.